Si Senator Chis Escudero, born on October 10, 1969.
Yeah,
Mas matanda pala ako dito.
madami siyang mga, parang sunod-sunod yung mga Saturn influence sa chart niya, starting February. Mga, parang baka mga sunod-sunod din ng mga, I don't know, kaso or whatever. No? So, hindi rin siya katantanan. No? Kasi, by sunod-sunod, I mean, yung mga planets niya kasi lahat nasa Libra. Parang 5 planets niya nasa Libra. And then the planet Saturn, which is the taskmaster, or some people call it the Lord of Karma. Parang isa-isang o-oppose yung planets niya. So parang wala ding kawala. No?
So malakas yung...
In terms of accountability.
When you say Saturn with the rings, it means restriction? Parang ganun ba ang...
Yes, restriction.
So it's not going to be a good year for Senator Chis Escudero?
Based on that, of course, may free will.
Senator Jinggoy,
Okay.
born February 17, 1963, sa
Okay,
Manila.
Yes. So yung eclipse kasi, I think, February 17 yung eclipse ng, the first one. So direct hit siya.
Oh,
So whatever is tinatago, of course, I don't know kung ano yun, more or less, baka dito lalabas.
Relating to the criminal prosecution, tatamaan siya, would that mean he'll be arrested?
I don't know yung arrest, pero kasi I don't know the details. Pero yung in terms of impact sa buhay niya, it's
may epekto.
There would be a big impact, no. Kung ang problema niya ngayon is yung mga kaso, no, tatamaan siya. Tatamaan, it means he needs to face, no, the cases.
Okay. Si Joel naman, Joel Villanueva.
August 12,
August
1975.
August 2.
Kababayan mo sa Bulacan.
At taga Bulacan ba siya?
Yes,
Bulacan,
yes.
yeah. So anyway, actually may makikita kayong pattern yung mga signs, more or less, naglalaro dun sa binanggit natin na 4 na signs that will be eclipse. So si Senator Villanueva, Leo yung sun niya. So eclipse din siya. No? Si Jinggoy, no? Aquarius, eclipse din siya. No? So again, pagka may eclipse, yung mga tinatago lalabas. And then may pressure for them to face it, no? Maybe in the courts or
So this is where you're talking about accountability happening this year.
yes. Kasi yung eclipses nga, yung one of the eclipses will be in Leo. Leo are the leaders no? So parang sila yung kikriticize, sila yung titingnan ng mga tao. No? Parang it's hindi na sa Pilipinas So kumbaga kahit sa ibang countries, that's the general trend, no? Na i-criticize yung mga nasa pwesto.
Si former Speaker Martin Romualdez, kamusta naman?
Okay.
What do you see?
Yung kanyang birthday,
November 14,
November
1963,
14,
Tacloban.
Yeah. So I check his chart, no, yung kanyang signature din is actually Aquarius. So tatamaan din siya ng Aquarius eclipse ng February. Last year I was asked, no, dito din sa BNC kung anong sa kanya. Sabi ko parang hindi siya tatamaan ng 2025 Pero ngayon tatamaan siya.
Wow.
So, madadawit siya.
I think madadawit, no, kasi nga pagka may eclipse may secret na lalabas. So siguro not exactly as let's say as clear as yung mga nauna na iniimbestigahan ngayon, pero kung may lamat, no, doon sa kanyang
You know,
kwento or
Resty,
narrative.
let me, and I'm going to the next person because
Ito ang maraming secrets,
the fate
alam.
of Speaker Martin Romualdez is dependent on this person, which is former Congressman Saldico, born on December 8, 1970. Ang sinasabi kasi nila, these are the 2 people who work in the Congress to do this flood control. So, ano ang ni Saldico this year? Babalik ba siya sa Pilipinas? Will he face the music?
Magsusurrender ba? Mahuhuli ba?
So, medyo iba nga, no, yung kanyang sitwasyon, ano, and I think parang meron siyang double passport, no?
Right.
Okay, so anyway, so sa kanya, medyo last year might have been more prominent, no? O yung tama sa kanya, mas stronger last year. I'm not sure about him this year kasi yung Sagittarius ko niyan symbol niya is the half man, half horse, so always on the run.
Talaga? So are you saying that he will not in any way, shape, or form come back to the Philippines?
Parang hindi clear kaagad. No? Just like what I said with the speaker, former speaker, Last year, hindi siya tinamaan eh. Ngayon siya tatamaan.
Isn't there a positive sign that will at least make Saldico spill all the beans among his stars or wala ba siya? Libra, Virgo? Ano ba? Meron bang ganon na...
ang pinakaswerte kasing sign this year, 2026, is Sagittarius.
So,
Sagittarius siya.
favor kay...
Sagittarius siya.
Pabor kay Saldico.
State witness.
Pero I don't understand that. If he doesn't come home, why will Martin Romualdez be more
Vulnerable.
vulnerable this year, considering the key to Martin's involvement is with Saldico? If Saldico doesn't talk, Martin Romualdez will escape liability.
Yeah, kaya nga siguro hindi siya exactly matatamaan, pero tatamaan siya maybe through other, let's say other people.
Yung
let's
ibang
say
mga pangalan na
records,
banggit sa ibabaw.
Records or whatever, no, na hindi siya, ibig sabihin, maaaring hindi pa siya mismo masisistensyahan, ano, parang ganun. Pero hindi na rin siya very free in a sense na tututukan na siya.